It might seem impossible to take off and put on a serpentine belt without taking off the fan, but actually it's the easiest way to do it. In the description of this video, I'm leaving an Amazon affiliate link for a serpentine belt that fits a 2005 XLT Sport Trac 4.0 motor. Take this off. There's just 3 bolts holding it on. There's one right here, here, and one right there. Then loosen this and this, but you'll have right here this wire connected up. I don't know what happened to mine. Mine's missing, so you'll have to deal with that. This just comes off. Then this comes off. You just take a ratchet. This end right here is what's going to go inside. If you have to, you might have to put on some kind of pipe or something to give you extra leverage. This is the top of my ratchet. I deliberately shortened it to show you what I meant by you can put a pipe in it, which then gives you the extension that you'll need. I find it easiest because this is so simple to do. You just undo this clip here, and then there's another clip right down here. And this guy just comes right out. Do keep in mind though, these 3 little slots went back up in here. So when you go to put them back, you don't even have to take this electrical wire off. And I would suggest not doing it because it's not needed at all. That allows you to grab this and pull way back this way. Otherwise, that part got in the way so that you can get this completely loose and pull this belt off. Earlier this year I had the tensioner out, and I'm showing this so you get a good idea of what we're putting the 3/8 inch ratchet into. Then make sure your ratchet is on loosen, not tighten. It goes right down into here. I took off the fan and the fan shroud so you can see clearly what was taking place. My fan was right here, so remember it kind of went in front of this, so it looks like this belt won't come out, and to me it seemed like magic when it came out without me passing it over the fan blades. So we just take this, pull this way, loosen this. Now let me get this out of our way. Okay, remember, again, the fan goes right here. So as I start passing this, I can leave it in front. See how that's still in front? I can come over here, and it's still all in front. I can keep coming this way. And the reason it seems impossible is because of the way it's tucked in here. But as you notice, when I start pulling on this here will come all the way forward without going over that fan blade. So it'll keep coming. Comes all the way this way. Now back here, it's just behind the tensioner. And this crankshaft is way below the fan blade right here. So remember, your fan blades are down here, so you can just pass that in front. And the entire thing then comes out. So to put her back in, you just make that loop. Push her down around here. Remember, again, the fan's up here, and yes, this part's kind of hard with the fan, but whether you passed it over the blades or not, you'd still be reaching over those fan blades. So you put this guy on right there. Now I personally, at this point, like to take this part of it, get that back over on that. I like to take this part and put it up underneath the tensioner. Once I've done that, I hold it here. This part here, remember, it's the smooth side that goes down. So it goes down up over the fan pulley. Then it's going to go all the way over to the AC. up over the power steering. This idler pulley, again, the smooth side goes up underneath. And now we got her here. Let me get that ratchet back in there, which I can tell you sometimes that ratchet getting on can be pretty hard because it's got to line up perfectly in here. Okay, remember, it's still on loosen. Even though you're putting the belt on, you still want it on loosen. Pull this way. Now, I'm having trouble, and the reason is when I lined it up over my air conditioning, it's not down in the grooves. Everything has to be in its grooves, or when you pull this way, it won't fit on there right. It'll be super hard or impossible. So once you get it right though, and now you got your belt on. So you don't have to take this fan off, and believe me, that fan can be a big project to get off. The Amazon affiliate links I'm leaving down below are specifically for the XLT version of this truck. Regular sport track trucks, this belt will not fit, nor will it fit the 4.6 motor. This is specifically for the 4.0 motor. If you want to see a diagram on how this belt is run, click on the card now showing. Otherwise, if you need a belt, click on the link down below. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.